What if I told you that this video started as just one photo of me? As you can see, that's me, okay? This is FlexClip, and this is the image to video AI feature, okay? My only action, I uploaded a single photo of myself, you see? Then I paste one simple prompt. Turn me into a great tech wizard that protects and cleans a WordPress installation and secures the system. That was all. No editing, no animation skills, no timelines. FlexClip now creates a generative AI video using my real characteristics. You see, maybe it can improve me in some cases, as you can see here. Okay, I can see a lot of muscles here, and I like it. But even it has my face, my posture, my presence, and blends them perfectly with the prompt. Behind the scenes, I can choose from powerful AI engines like let me show you here, because FlexClip was updated, and now you can use Google Veo, you can use Sora, you can use ByteDance, you can use Minimax, any of the versions, and you can switch between different versions. You can use the the Kling, and in seconds I generated a 5 or 10 seconds. I selected here 10 seconds video, and it's really it's a cinematic video that looks custom, branded, and alive. Okay, I use this sorry, for personal branding explainer videos. I use it for tech demos, for YouTube intros, AI avatars, marketing visuals. It's so easy and so amazing how FlexClip has been involved. You're gonna see that it provides a lot of tools, and you can play easily with them, and you can even download your video just by clicking the download button. Okay, if you want your own AI powered videos without complexity, this is where it starts. You can try FlexClip for free. You're gonna find the link down to the description and to my to the comment section. And in case you have any questions, just feel free to ask to the comments, and I'm gonna answer any kind of question the same day. Thank you very much, and see you soon to the next video. Bye bye.